This incredible washing machine from Miele is perfect for households looking for a premium quality model with innovative technology. This model has 19 wash programs and a rapid 1600 RPM spin speed. It also features an eco-friendly A++ energy rating and a 9 kilogram drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. It's been tested for the equivalent of 20 years' use too, so you can have complete confidence in this model's outstanding build quality. Miele's intelligent TwinDos feature stores up to 3 months' worth of liquid detergent and conditioner inside the machine. It automatically adds the right amount of each to a wash for you, so nothing goes to waste, and you'll save space as there's no need to store bulky bottles in your cupboards. This model can be remotely controlled using the Miele Home app from your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your drying cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly clean clothes without a second thought. If you're looking for a premium washing machine with innovative technology, this incredible model from Miele is the perfect choice.